Hi there, Aucto support team here. Today I'm going to be walking you through how you can create an asset on your mobile device. Your first step is going to be to sign into Aucto ARS on your mobile device using the domain Aucto.com/ARS. Once you're signed in, come up to this menu over on the top left, select Virtual Warehouse, then select Assets. Your next step is going to be to click this blue Add an Asset button, and it's going to give you two options. Our recommendation for mobile device uploading is Quick Add. The first step is to enter the technical information. We'll start with the manufacturer, model number, year of manufacture, and then we'll come down to our first required field. As a reminder, all required fields will have a red asterisk next to the name or the title of that field. We'll provide a suggested name. Go ahead and check the box next to it. And if you are ingesting a roadworthy vehicle, please enter the VIN number if you have it. Feel free to skip over the category as our data team will select that for you. And then we'll come down to the next required field, which is the asset class. 4 different class categories: capital, non-capital, inventory, and fleet. If you're unsure of your category, select capital and our team will make any amendments needed. You'll select the site where your asset is currently being stored. And then we'll come down to our final required field, which is condition. It's a 1 to 10 scale, 1 being scrap and 10 being factory new. Please use your best judgment when you're selecting a condition type. If you don't have any other details to add at the moment, select Next. Your next step is going to be to add media. So you can click the Add Media button, and it'll either open up the camera on your mobile device or you can select it from your library. Our recommendation is for you to add 5 to 10 photos per asset. Once your photos have been uploaded, you'll come to the File section. If you have any documentation that you want to upload, click the Upload Document button. And if it's saved to your mobile device, you can upload it here. If you don't have access to do that through your mobile device, please bypass this and we will request the documentation at a later date where you can upload from your desktop or laptop computer. Select Add Asset. And now your asset has been created. Our data team will see that your asset has been created, and they'll request any additional information required to get your asset approved for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your dedicated account executive or support team.